7 nights aboard the Harmony of the Seas. You saw the room tour, you saw the ship tour. Let's see how the rest of the cruise went. Dinner with my babe at Jamie Oliver's, which is right off Central Park here in Harmony. Bionic Bar. We're gonna have a robot make us a drink.
4.8 votes. Let's check out the comments. Let's check out Zach. Zach, you suck, Zach. Alright, move. This is the Bionic Bahama Mama.
Made by a robot that broke down for like a minute because Joel made the drink.
Delicious. Tastes like a Bahama Mama.
Good job, robot.
So I was coming back from the room down to Bolero's where we're hanging out because we have trivia coming up. And I had a PetSmart moment at the Promenade Cafe. And you're probably asking yourself, what's a PetSmart moment? And what I'm talking about is, if you look at PetSmart, is it PetSmart or PetSmart? That's what I'm talking about in a PetSmart moment. So all week it said tuna and egg salad sandwich. And I'm like, okay, tuna or an egg salad sandwich. So I asked for an egg salad sandwich. I got an egg salad sandwich the first day I got one. So I go back today, tuna and egg salad sandwich, and today I get tuna and egg salad sandwich. So now I'm confused as to whether it's tuna and egg salad combined.
So when I went over there just now, I asked the gentleman behind the Cafe Promenade, I said, hey, is it tuna? Like I can get a tuna sandwich, an individual tuna, or an individual egg? And the guy behind the counter said, yes, like that. I said, are you sure? Because my husband came and it's actually mixed together. And he's like, what? That's weird. And the other gentleman who's actually in charge of serving this, no, it is tuna and egg salad mixed together. So, together, is that a thing? I've never had it like that, but
I don't know, let us know.
Let us know, yeah. But tell them about the bread.
It's very good.
So we are at 150 Central Park, and their signature bread is this, I don't know, garlic something, whatever.
I think it's butter, honey, spices, a little hint of lemon, which actually is nice.
Yeah.
Very good.
So it comes standard on your plate right before dinner, before you order your appetizers or you order anything out. Pull off a chunk. So if you want a good bread to help you soak up some alcohol because you've had a little too much to drink, or just like a general, hey, we want dinner bread, like this is the bread to have right here. There's one reason by itself to go to 150 Central Park on any of these kind of ships. This bread. Super cute little place to eat some sandwiches and other things. The Park Cafe on deck 8.
We're gonna get complicated here. So I'm thinking about shrimp cocktail,
Yeah.
but not your normal shrimp cocktail. It's colossal. The jumbo lump crab cake.
Okay.
Also, I enjoy your crab cake. Probably the peppered bacon
Oh.
for you. I think you'll.
No, I want the mushroom soup.
Well, yeah, but you might enjoy that, so I'm gonna get that.
Okay, okay.
Also. And then I'm thinking for dinner, if you get the 9-ounce fillet,
Uh-huh.
cut that in half,
Uh-huh.
and then I can get the spicy jumbo shrimp.
Wow.
For sides,
Uh-huh.
I'm thinking Gruyere cheese tater,
Okay.
mac and cheese, mashed potatoes,
Yep.
made out of gold from the Yukon of Canada, and some mushrooms,
Yeah.
and then French fries.
Oh, man. Why can't I just get, like, the small steak?
Well, because I want some steak. I
Oh.
don't want to get a whole steak.
I kind of want to try the branzino, though. It's supposed to be a really good fish. Branzino?
Is it?
Yeah. You want to try that? And then we can both try it, because you know I don't like shrimp.
You sure it's a fish?
Yes, it's a fish. Yes. Branzino and filet, along with some mashed potatoes, mac and cheese, French fries, mushrooms, and tater tots. We figured tonight we just go all out and splurge, and yeah, so we ordered room service after we went to eat dinner around, I don't know what time it is, 11 o'clock or so? What time is it?
It's like 9.
Well then, we had a couple too many drinks. It's 9:15, but we figured after we had dinner, a delicious dinner at Chops, that we would have room service. And yeah, so we're gonna splurge, and we got, let's see, a burger. We've got some pasta. We've also got cake. So yeah, you know, it was complimentary in the sweet room, and we haven't tried it before. Just waiting on some trivia on the promenade. Having some martinis. So one thing, a takeaway so far from this trip is this is such a big ship. You gotta get to things early. If you want to have a seat, just FYI, you gotta get everywhere early.
He's had some pretty cool moves, but some questionable music choices. Say hi to Cecile and Richard. Later you'll find out how Adele ended their sibling rivalry. Olympic competitor Joanna likes to dance whenever she has the chance. Up on the stairs, Max Sons, our king of pop. Pow!
5 minutes after, show is canceled due to rough weather. Where are we going?
We are going to, well, she's going to go play trivia. I'm going to meet up with some super cool Scottish people I met yesterday and watch the Liverpool Villarreal Champions League semifinal game. So we're super excited about that. Guys, Joel here. Just wanted to give you guys some info. If you're into sports, one problem you're probably going to run into is a cruise ship only usually has a couple channels, and if you're a big soccer fan or football fan, like I am, then you probably want to look at downloading a streaming app and getting somewhere cool to watch it. But right now, I'm here at the Boot and Bonnet, and I'm sitting here with an awesome group of guys and girls all from Scotland. A bunch of Rangers fans. We're sitting here watching the Rangers RB Leipzig game.
We got it, people.
We go Rangers, right?
We'll surrender.
Another round of trivia. Let's see how we're gonna do. This one is general knowledge trivia, so we might not do so well.
Not me.
Not me
I know
either.
a lot of stuff that's not really important.
Yeah.
Which is cool. Not for everybody. And there we go.
St. Martin. We are docked in St. Martin today. Here you can see some of the port. They're obviously doing some construction. Look how pretty this water is. There's a big old boat. We are leaving St. Thomas. So, when we were leaving trivia, I found a duck. And it is from Alan and Carolyn of Hampton, New Hampshire. And for those of you who are new to cruising or haven't cruised a lot before, duck hiding is a thing on the ship. And Joel and I, we do it sometimes. We didn't bring any this time, but I found one, and I found him right by the schooner bar. So I'm gonna re-hide this little guy somewhere later. But if you have kids or whatever, you know, you just get a little rubber ducky. There's these fun little cards people print out, and there's Facebook groups for duck hiding and duck hunting. And I'll link some of those in this video. But yeah, happy hunting! We're on the Harmony of the Seas 7-day sailing out of Port Canaveral. And Port Canaveral is about, 30 minutes from Orlando. So we're on the Harmony of Seas. We left out on April 24th of 2022. We went to St. Martin, St. Thomas, and now the perfect day at Coco Cay. We didn't get off the ship in St. Martin. Beautiful port. We were gonna go diving. The cruise ship didn't have a diving excursion, and so we booked our own locally, but we didn't think we would make it in time with the way the ship was going to dock, so we had to cancel and at least try to get part of our money back. We got off the ship in St. Thomas. We are not getting off the ship at Coco Cay. And this is kind of a crappy day today. There's a little bit of storms out. It's about 79 degrees out. And there's another ship in port. Like I said, check the port schedule. You can Google port schedule for Coco Cay, and it will show you if there's going to be another ship in port, another Royal Caribbean ship in port the same time you were here. And the Independence got here before us. She got here about 7:30. We didn't dock till about 10. So that means, you know, they had already been here a full 2 hours prior to the Harmony even docking. So that's just too many people in one place for us. So we're gonna, maybe we'll research our next dive trip to Bonaire. Anyway, whatever you guys choose to do today, have a awesome day.